Hi, I'm Brittany with WTI, and I love making beautiful, capturing videos. And nothing helps me more to do that than this FeiyuTech Vimble 4 gimbal with an extension rod. And the things that stood out about this brand is, one, the size. Look at it. It is so cute and adorable. It fits so nice in this little tiny pouch and can be taken anywhere. It holds a great charge. It is so easy to use. You just download the FeiyuTech app and it connects to your phone. It has so many options to change the tone, the lighting. It's got the knob dial that you can switch to zoom in and out. Then it changes to the focus. Also have the knob controlling the head of the gimbal. It's got the record button that you can take pictures or record. The mode button has a lot of capabilities, easily switches from horizontal to vertical mode. The trigger here, it sets the object or face follows. You can do live mode, you can do what's called a vertigo effect. Are just so many filming options that this gimbal gives you. If you love making films, this is an absolute must in your arsenal. And that's my point of view.